Hey guys, it's Chris Watters. Welcome to my video real estate vlog. In this episode, I'm going to answer one of the most frequently asked questions in the fall. Should I sell my home this fall or wait until next spring? So, thinking about selling your home, but you're not sure if you should do it this fall or wait until spring. Well, you're not alone, and the right answer might surprise you. Every year, sellers face the same dilemma: sell during the cooler seasons or hold off until spring when flowers bloom and the market heats up. I just spoke with a seller last week who assumed waiting until spring would automatically mean more buyers and a better price. But after reviewing current market data, we actually discovered that inventory levels are likely going to continue going up. As inventory levels go up, prices go down. And so in his particular case, today his home is worth $400,000, but next spring, if he calls me and waits, it may be worth only $375,000. So less competition means more leverage. In the fall and winter, fewer homes are listed. That means your home can stand out more easily, especially if it's in move-in ready condition. Serious buyers are still active and they're out there shopping during the holidays, and they tend to be super motivated, especially during the holiday season if they need to buy a home in November and December. So spring may bring more buyers, but also more sellers. We typically see a jump in buyer activity, but we also see a huge surge in the number of homes that actually hit the market. And we're expecting interest rates to fall some over the next few months into the spring season. And as sellers see those rates come down, we'll see supply go up. And as supply goes up, prices typically go down. So timing the market isn't everything. Timing your life is. Sometimes the best time to sell isn't about market trends, it's about your personal goals. Are you relocating? Are you downsizing? Are you trying to free up cash for the holidays? If you're trying to sell now and you want to get done fast, now may be the best time to do it. So, should you sell now or wait? Well, it depends on your goals, your home's condition, and your local market. If you're thinking about making a move, let's talk. I'd be happy to give you a free, no pressure market analysis to help you decide what makes the most sense for your timing, budget, and lifestyle. So call or text me anytime.